Meet the most durable and powerful Apple Watch to date. With a tough titanium casing, accuracy dual-frequency GPS, up to 36 hours of battery life 1, cellular freedom 2, and 3 specialized bands designed for athletes and explorers of all types. It appears tough. That's because it is. To create the best sports watch, Apple meticulously handcrafted each component for unrivaled performance. Titanium achieves the ideal blend of weight, toughness, and corrosion resistance. The redesigned casing design rises up to shield the flat sapphire crystal from edge impacts. The digital crown has been enlarged, and the side button has been lifted from the casing, making it simpler to operate when wearing gloves. Apple's latest products are intended to help you be more adventurous outside, become a better content producer, and, according to the firm, stay alive. That's the impression I received after evaluating Apple's most high-end goods, including the new iPhone 14 lineups, Apple Watch Ultra, and AirPods Pro 2. Yes, they're pricey, but many will believe the new offers make them worthwhile. Apple is introducing 3 new watch models, Apple Watch SE, Series 8, and Ultra, 2 iPhone models, 14 and 14 Pro in 2 sizes, and the second-generation AirPods Pro. As a Bloomberg Pursuits writer specializing in lifestyle items, I'm going to focus on those with the most features and hence the most expensive, the Apple Watch Ultra from $799 and iPhone 14 Pro from $999. Apple Watch Ultra. The Apple Watch Ultra, with its 49mm titanium casing and sturdy design, is not your average wristwatch. Yes, it has all of the functions that other Apple Watches offer, but it can withstand harsh outdoor situations. The Apple Watch Ultra's programmable action button is located on the left side of the device and is covered in a hue known as International Orange. It's a new piece of hardware designed to make the watch easier to use. You can track workout intervals, start a built-in diving computer, the Oceanic Plus app by Hewish Outdoors LLC, available this fall, which automatically launches after you submerge and calculates and monitors dive parameters, set a stopwatch, or drop waypoints, geographical pinpoints, along your route by pressing the physical button. The ordinary Apple Watch Series 8 also features an updated compass that permits waypoint dropping and retracing, but it needs more manual maneuvering without the action button, which is probably good for many people who don't frequently get lost in the woods. In a busy situation, such as on a hilltop or in a major city, the Apple Watch Ultra features an enhanced microphone system to pick up your voice for clear phone conversations, as well as a new speaker that can blast a loud emergency alarm that Apple claims can be heard up to 600 feet, or 180 meters, away. At the presentation, the demonstrator stated that it was too noisy to test there. A new sensor detects a car collision and alerts emergency services, which is also available for the Series 8. Along with existing capabilities for tracking sleep, ECG, heart rate, and blood oxygen, both watch models incorporated 2 sensors to detect changes in body temperature, one on the back of the device and the other within and behind the display. Apple promotes the function as a family planning tool, claiming that by wearing the watch constantly, women may monitor their ovulation cycles after analyzing at least 2 months of temperature readings and determine the optimal time to get pregnant. The concept seemed intriguing, but I have worries about sleeping with a bulky gadget on my wrist. And knowingly handing over so much data and power to a piece of technology reminded me of Black Mirror. The $799 Apple Watch Ultra also has a battery life of 36 hours or 60 hours on low power, can withstand temperatures ranging from -4F to 131F, and is water resistant to a depth of 100 meters. That's all for today. Please like and subscribe, it helps me a lot. See you tomorrow.